Why is nobody talking about this picture of a Dibia from early 20th century with tools of his practice including bells and a miniature Ikenga figure? A Dibia is a mystic mediator between human and the spirit world and acts as a healer, scribe, teacher, diviners and advisors of people in the community. They are usually consulted at the shrine of a community major deity. Dibia is a compound of the word Di, which means a professional, master or husband, and Obia, which means doctoring or sciences. The Dibia are believed to be destined for spiritual work. The Dibia sees spiritual world at any time and interprets what message is being sent and sees the spiritual problems of living people. They are given the power by the spirit world to identify any alosi by name and the possible ways of discussing and negotiating with the deity. Dibias are thought to possess powers over one of the three elements: water, fire, and vegetation. Dibia, whose elements are vegetation, can go on to become herbalists by their supposed instinctual knowledge of the health benefits of certain plants they are instinctively drawn to. Fire element Dibia can handle fire unscathed during their initiation, and water element Dibia do not drown. A Dibia can partially enter the spirit world and communicate this by rubbing a chalk on one part of his face. Dibia and Obia practices were transported to the West Indies as a result of the Atlantic slave trade. Do you think that the native doctors we have these days are the same as the ancient Dibias that our ancestors had? Tell me in the comment section.